Hi, have you ever tried using ChatGPT to write a cold email? How did you think? I'm gonna show you one of the examples that I did with ChatGPT, and then I will show you one of the products that I just discovered recently that really made me rethink of how I've been using ChatGPT for my written content. So this is the example that I use with ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to write a cold email for me for this tool called EasyHR. And this is what it showed me. I would say quite short and in a way not so personable. Doesn't feel like a person sent me an email. Now I'm gonna show you the other tool that I use. And this is the email that I got from this tool that I just discovered recently, as I said. Oh, first of all, I need to say that I use the exact same prompt for this tool, and the email looks like this. Show me all the highlights of this product. I would think that a person sent me this if it's dropped in my inbox. So this is WorkforceAI. WorkforceAI is a complete AI content automation and business scaling platform. This isn't just another AI tool. It's an all-in-one AI powerhouse that helps users generate content, create high-quality videos, produce AI voiceover, automate workflows, and even developed AI chatbots and assistants. If you already paid for AI tools, you know how expensive they could be with limited functions. WorkforceAI offers various functions across all 4 types of media: text, image, audio, and video, all in one platform. In today's video, I dive into the text module of WorkforceAI, which is perfect for businesses that need to create written content like emails, ad copy, blog posts, social media posts, and more. I believe this function can really streamline your writing process and enhance productivity. As mentioned, today we will focus mainly on the writing functions of WorkforceAI, and that will include AI templates, AI article wizards, and AI rewriter. So inside AI templates, WorkforceAI offers you all of the templates that you will need for your business. I have done a cold email examples before. We could do another one, which is a follow-up email. So here's the follow-up email with the example of EasyHR. I really like it that whatever WorkforceAI generate, it sounds very personable and also sounds like a human. Another example could be Facebook ads with the same prompt here, and this is what we got. So yeah, try it out for yourself, see how you like it and see how it will work out for your business. So that is WorkforceAI. If you're interested in using WorkforceAI to streamline your business, check out the link in the Discord. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.